You have 10 minutes for the first 50 questions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, can you scroll it a bit down?
yeah. Is that fine now?
Yes, sir.
You want me to move down now?
Yes, sir. No, sir, a bit up. Up, sir. Scroll up.
Up. Is that fine now?
The
Up.
previous page, just the previous page.
Is that fine now?
Yes, sir.
So in the 19th question,
Uh,
how can it be below $0? How can oil be worthless?
I will explain you once we come to the discussion. I will tell you how that situation can
Okay, sir.
happen. Okay. Down now. Aishwarya, down I should take.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Anand, what are the books at the back of you? Which are the
But
books?
it's like
I'm
a
sorry.
lot of books. Like my mom's a doctor, so she has a lot of her books. And then there are like old, my old books, like, some novels and a few like comics and all that.
Nice. I always used to, I come from a very middle class family, so having a house itself was, having an own room itself was a big thing. So I always used to go to these lawyer places, and I used to see their, backdrop was all books and all those stuff, which they never used to study, if I'm not wrong. So, but it looks good. You get a lot of positive. Yeah, please carry on. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Three more minutes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So there's no power here and I have very little data left. Can I switch off my video for only this class?
Yes, dear. Yes. At the same time, in case it gets disconnected in between, what you can do is that you can log into the website and you can have that video as well. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you scroll down?
Yes. Is that fine now?
Yes, sir.
2 more minutes, dear, for the first 50 questions.
Sit down. Sir. Excuse me, sir.
Should I scroll down?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you scroll down more?
Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Last 1 minute, dear.
Sir, can you scroll down?
Yeah. Right. So let us start discussing the questions now. Aishwarya, you can follow that with the questions once I start discussing. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can I okay, can somebody just share the link in the chat box? Because, I mean, I'm not able to access it in my phone. So.
Okay. ठीक है.
I
Someone
think
can share.
Yashwant can share the link.
Please share the link if it is there. I think it's a PDF file, Aishwarya. I think you can download in your phone.
Sir, the thing is, it's not opening. It says you need a proper app, and then there's no storage in my phone, so I can't download the app.
Okay. ठीक है. Just see if someone can send the link. Okay. What is the answer of first one, dear?
D.
D. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. So briefly guide me. What is the portfolio Nitin Gadkari handles?
MSMEs.
MSME and
Road, right?
road and transport. Yes,
Yeah.
road and transport. Smriti Irani.
Textiles and women and
Textile.
child development.
Good. Mansukh Al Mandavia.
Welfare.
I'm sorry.
Welfare, sir. Welfare of the.
Could you speak a bit? I'm not able to hear you properly. Can you just say that again?
Welfare. She's saying welfare. Welfare.
Welfare. Okay. Welfare. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. That's correct. And second one, National Infrastructure Pipeline. This. Who is heading this? Who is heading this task force? Atanu Chakravarti. Okay. You should know the background of this. Now, as you understand that Indian economy was experiencing recession to some extent, then we had CA Article 370, then we have entered COVID. Okay, so you can see that, you know, we were already finding slowdown in our economy, and we have entered a COVID like a phase when we are going to be having a big time in terms of economics. Okay, so what government is planning is that government is planning to pump a lot of money in the economy, and that is what this talks about. So it is 111 lakh crore which is going to pump in the next 5 years to the different sectors. Okay, real estate, infrastructure, telecom, IT, research, defense, and all those stuff. So that is what this plan talks about. So in the present part of the GK system, you will have the complete article of this, and they will place these questions. What is the amount? How many years this is going to be a pump in? Who is the chief of this, and all those factors? Okay, so this article will fit. So one of the reasons that why I opted for both of the type of GK, that means the GK what present CLAT will ask you, and the old set of the GK is basically this GK will give you slightly holistic approach towards all those important topics. Okay. Then what is the answer of this?
Washington
Country of
DC.
particular. I'm sorry.
Washington DC.
Washington DC. That's correct. Okay. Can you tell me why India has been degraded?
Because of CA.
CA. That's correct. CA. Yes, very correct. After that CA, we realized, you know, we have cut down, subtracted couple of communities. So due to that factor, USA has degraded this. We now fall under the Tier 2 country. So Tier 1 is where a lot of neutral values are there, and Tier 2 is where, you know, there is some subtraction taking place. Okay. Then fourth one. What is the answer of fourth one? It is Karnataka Vikas Gramin.
Karnataka Vikas Gramin.
Yes. So this is where, you know, you can take a loan of 1 lakh rupees without a collateral guarantee. Okay, that is what this comes out to be. Then who tops the Manrega?
Rajasthan.
Okay, you can have varying answer, because if you try to Google this, you will figure out that there are multiple answers which are present. But when I made this question, this was Chhattisgarh, because what happens is that when you send the data and the listing takes place, it is all different time zones. So due to which this answer keeps on varying. So right now, objective of this was to make you explain that government is pumping a lot of money towards Manrega. And one of the reasons which I can tell you that based on my reading, I can tell you that India was heading towards recession was that we have taken out money out of the Manrega. Because Manrega used to provide employment to good number of people, approximately some 23-24 crore people in the rural areas. So if you take out money from the rural area, your supply your demand will decrease. Okay, so one of the reason is this. Manrega was a good project. So what is happening is that Manrega is being promoted in all those states which are having Congress government. Okay, India ranked 53rd in budget transparency, which is the country which is this having the top rank.
Is it New Zealand?
New Zealand.
Yes, New Zealand has approximately, you know, it's a zero corruption. You have absolutely no corruption in this country. Okay. And all Scandinavian country rank well in the you know, transparency index, so like Sweden, Norway, Netherlands, and other countries. Okay, and how many names are tropical this?
169.
So we have approximately 13 countries which fall in the adjoining area of the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so 13 countries, and we are experiencing that every month we will have one typhoon. Okay. So 13 into 13 is what? 169. So every typhoon is being named. So that is what 169. This is how you calculate. So if you go to the IMD website, you can figure out all these 169 names. Okay. Then it comes out with H card. Okay, so you can understand that to handle this COVID, we are coming with a lot of automation and all the stuff. So based on that, Hima Barley comes out to be freedom fighter. Not much. Yeah, I don't have much to add on this. Again, a factual base. So basically, these type of questions are still part of your price exam, symbiosis exam, NLU Delhi exam. So only it has been discounted from the CLAT perspective, but it will also give you an idea about what are the important topics so that you don't miss in the newspaper. Okay. Rudra Singh, CEO of BMW. What is the full form of BMW?
Bavarian Motor Works.
British Motor Works.
I'm sorry?
British Motor Works.
Bavarian Motor Works.
Yes.
Bavarian Motor.
And Jazz Day we have in 30th April. This is your May GK. So okay, Jan Chaudhary, Sugam. Obviously, you can understand that this is going to deal with the pharmaceutical. Ausudhi means medicine. Okay. Who is the sponsor of the Karnataka Vikas Grameen Bank? It's
Canara Bank.
Canara Bank. That's correct. So you can also understand that when you look at your complete reading, you will also realize that we have approximately right now, I think 20 public sector bank, okay, and we have some 10 private sector bank. So you will realize that what government is planning is that, you know, finally we'll have only 5 public sector bank. So that is how we are shaping up the banking sector. So a lot of churning is going to happen. So what major banks are being asked is that you adopt one of the cooperative banks and merge, amalgamation should take place. Fine. So that later on the merging becomes slightly simplified. So you start, let us suppose Karnataka Vikas Grameen Bank will start using the Canara Bank software. So all their data will come to the Canara Bank, data center. So tomorrow, after a year, when I have to integrate this bank, so in that case, this becomes simplified. Ministry of External Affairs, 14th. Yes, dear.
Muralidharan.
Muralidharan, that's correct. And then with this, where is this? We have this black rice.
Manipur.
That's
Manipur.
Yes, this rice is in news because, you know, it has a lot of protein. And who is this? Ministry of the Coal has launched the project. This.
Prahlad Joshi.
Prahlad Joshi.
That's correct. Prahlad Joshi. Yes, that's correct. Then comes to Indian Navratna. This. It's
First one.
Neyveli Lignite Corporation.
Yes. I'm sure that few of you are doing Googles at the same time. Okay, this 18th one. What is answer to 18th one?
Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises.
Yes.
Resources and Development.
Yes. MSME. Yeah, correct. Oil prices of which country recorded with the below zero level? It's US. Okay.
Yes.
So, and then someone has asked me how this can happen. Nand, right? You're there, Nand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nand, let us suppose there is a okay. Now let us imagine a situation that there is a complete you don't have a parking space. Let us suppose, Nand. You live in an apartment or you live in an independent house?
Apartment, sir.
Huh? I'm sorry?
Apartment.
And you must be having one parking or two parking?
Two.
Two parking. Okay. Let us suppose you buy the third car.
Okay.
So let us suppose now when you have to park that car somewhere, you might be paying extra parking fee.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Okay. In the same way, let us suppose there were some 100 oil tankers in US. So all of them are still filled because there is no economic movement is taking place, and that oil is not being used. So that means those all oil well are filled. So now when the cargo is coming, they want the space to park that. So in that case, what happens is that the oil market crashes because you don't have the space to take that oil.
Yes, sir.
I think what sir is trying to say is that, see, the oil well never stops. They can never stop the flow of oil. It's always going to come out as long as the well has oil in it. Unless it runs out, you'll have a surplus of oil. And because of the recession and lockdown, there's no demand for that oil. So it's all just sitting in one place.
Yeah, yeah,
Below
got
zero
that, got
basically
that.
means that we're paying, US is basically paying countries to take the oil off their hands because they can't keep it. And it turns out to be more costly for them to actually keep it than to give it out to other people. So that's what it actually means when it goes below zero.
Is that clear now? Name the first tennis player. This is Sania Mirza. And the Competition Commission has approved 100% this. Where is the head office of Competition Commission of India? It's New Delhi. And this was also in the news some 3 or 4 days back when the Facebook, which has invested money in Reliance, was also taken to this board. Okay, so you can have a paragraph being taken from one of the business standard newspaper and place questions out of it. So which 2 companies we are talking about, what percent of the equities we are discussing about, and all this stuff. Okay, so Competition Commission of India basically deals with that no company should come into a monopolistic position, because the moment they come to monopolistic position, in that scenario they're going to drive the pricing. Okay, so due to that this board is being formed. At the same time, now you can also understand that this body was also very important when there was a lot of Chinese investment coming in India. So this was the body which has going to create a filters. You can't do that because this breaks the government guideline, right? So you will realize that when the coronavirus was onto the peak part of in the month of April, May, China started pumping a lot of money in our banking segment. So they have acquired some 5%, I think 2% in SDFC Bank. So the government got very cautious. Then they started blocking this. So this body is responsible for this. Any investment has to be routed through this body. Okay. Then 22nd comes out to be your Chandigarh CSIR is a research wing of government. Okay, highly unproductive. 23rd comes out to be name the person who has built the first helicopter to the okay, factual base, so you can just know this name. This is okay. And then comes out to be CEOs. You can know from the name itself it is Russian made. So we have signed recently big deal with Russia. Have you read that new article?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please keep a track of that. Very important. 25 comes out to be unwritten history of the proud Indian Shivaji. This Girish Kuber. Girish Kuber. International Labor Day is May 1st. Important now. This day is important. Labor Day is important. Then MSC launch bad. This 27th comes out to be or Nitin Gadkari. Then Ministry of Shipping has launched reconstructed website of this. This is Meghraj. Not much to be. Who is the present science and technology? This. Yes, what is it? Harshvardhan. That's correct. Harshvardhan. Yes, that's correct. HQ of International Tennis
London.
London, that's correct. London, that's correct. Then comes out to be Odisha Vijay is
it Jammu and Kashmir?
Karve GI tag recently, yes, Jammu and Kashmir. Yes.
Jammu and Kashmir.
Then Odisha Vijay Mishra. He was a playwright. Okay. Ayushman Bharat Divas. 30th April. Then when was the International Guide Dog Day? 29th April. Not much important. 35. This is Central Road and Research. This CSIR and this. Squatter archipelago is the UNESCO. There it is. Which is this? Yemen. Okay, this is important now. This is important because this might be okay. This is being selected for the heritage site. Okay, but any right now you figure out that a lot of countries are having a lot of dispute about these islands. So you'll find out Russia and China, South Korea and North Korea, Australia and China. Then we have this with Bangladesh, India. So these small islands are still getting part of the lot of debate. Then comes out with 37 Maharashtra, first state to has announced to provide the free cashless in Sonia, it is Maharashtra. Then comes out to Union Ministry this 38 comes from Morena. He comes from the constituency Morena. Then TCS will launch it, the first fully digital. This is Israel. Fine. It's all digital bank. And at the same time, TCS is the India's largest software company. This I think should be ranked third. I think first is Reliance, the biggest company in India. Then I
Oil
think
Corporation.
SDFC Bank, and third should be TCS. Okay, TCS is the or the Tata as a whole is a big company. Then comes to which of the following country will host this? US. It's a US. Then 41 we have this postponed to this. It was supposed to be held in Spain. Then comes out to be your Prahlad Singh Patel has released the e-book. This is a cultural minister. Then scientific, you discover the aquatic gem. This is general nature generally. Sariska tiger is a Rajasthan. This is Bristol. Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Maharashtra. Name the train which ran this labor Shramik special. Important, Shramik is article. Mukhyamantri Shahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana. It is being launched in Himachal Pradesh, HP. So it is basically to provide employment to the migrant laborer who have gone to their respective native place. Okay. So in Himachal Pradesh, they have the guarantee of this. Then what is this? Study the electric field structure in the earth, magnetosphere. Okay. IIG located. 49th is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Indian Institute of this. Okay. Magnetic. Then Sandeep Kumari, who was banned for 4th year. This 4-year comes to discuss through. Okay. Yeah. Please go through the next 50 problems. Okay. One more minute. All right. What is the answer? First one, 51st. Yes, what is the answer? 51st. K.S. Nisar Ahmed. He was a poet. Ajay Kumar Tripathi.
Lokpal.
Lokpal. Yeah, that's correct. What is the role of Lokpal? What is the role of Lokpal?
So just like local, yeah, anti-corruption. Like local.
I'm sorry?
So it's like anti-corruption.
Correct. So it has the power almost to prosecute the government as well. Fine, it can initiate an inquiry against the government. So if you go back to sometime, you had the Bellary scam, right? The coal scam in Karnataka. So it was exposed by the Lokpal. Okay. Then Arogya Setu app, this National Information Medic Center.
So what's the 53rd one, sir?
53rd one is May 3rd. You are able to share, see the screen, right?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, it's May 3rd. Name the country which has announced ban on sale of assault weapons. For this, it's Canada. Canada, US, you have quite very liberal process of getting arms. Not like in India where the licenses are very difficult to get, almost impossible, and which to great extent is good. But in US it is not that way. You can get an assault rifle by paying money, and it's not much difficult to get the license of the same. First chairman of the Lokpal India, this
Pinaki Chandra Ghosh.
Pinaki Chandra Ghosh, yes. He was, I think, High Court judge in Odisha, if I'm not wrong. And
Chhattisgarh, sir.
I'm sorry?
Nothing.
57 is Mohammad Mustafa. Then who among this appointed the US IBRD 58 comes out to Ashok Michael Pinto. Ashok Michael Pinto. Okay. Then World Asthma 2020 theme is enough asthma death. Who is the chairman of DRDO?
Satish Reddy.
Satish Reddy. Okay, so you can understand what is the role comes out to be. DRDO does the research and HAL does the production. So if you look at the LCA Tejas, what you have, so the research is done by the DRDO and the production is taken care by the HAL. Okay, So that way. And we have paid some 200 crore rupees for one LCA. So if you take that Chinnaswamy plane at your place, it will be fetching you 200 crore if the engine is there inside. Okay, if only the chassis is there, then it will not help. Indian Navy has launched Samudra Setu. Samudra Setu for Maldives, yeah. Just like our Shramik trains, we are having this, the marine activity also going on for the people on the sea belt, what we can see. Okay. Then 62nd is third one. Then name the Vijayant at Kargil. This is both father. Vijay Thapar is his father, and Neha Dwivedi is his daughter. Yeah, so they both have written the book. Ayush Kavach COVID. Ayush Kavach COVID is UP. So Baba Ramdev has also designed, the COVID medicine. So I think now he can go out. If he has the medicine, he can go out, but he's not venturing out of his ashram. Yeah. Which is this civil aviation, this Hardeep Singh Puri. Hardeep Singh Puri. HQ of this World Meteorological Organization, this 66, Geneva. Yeah. Then Digital India, Nelson, this. Where is this headquarter of this? I think it should be Mumbai. Yeah. Mumbai. So you can also experience that in the COVID complete scenario. We are having that more usage of internet is taking place in the rural part of India as compared to the urban part of India. Okay, that's also something interesting to observe. Name the closely known this is Lumin 16A. Then name the person who has been sworn in as the Prime Minister of Iraq.
Kadhimi.
Mustafa Al-Kadhimi. Then comes to be Pixar director Rob Gibbs, who passed away recently, was Finding Nemo. Nemo. Oh, okay. The HQ of International Energy Agency, Paris. So this is the same body which is going to blacklist the country. Right, this body will come into picture when you look at Pakistan is right now again being put in the gray list. Right? So, yeah. So FATA will look forward to the report from this body. The HQ of UNEP, Nairobi. Then comes out to be your Clouded Leopard. This 73rd is Tripura. Then comes out with Defense Minister inaugurated 80 km of which pass. Where is this? It's in Uttarakhand. Okay, a lot of disturbance with the China right now we are having. Asian Development Bank, COVID this. Where is this this? All your major banks are in Hong Kong or Beijing or Singapore. Okay, these are the nations which are having this. NABARD is a bank which gives loan to the agriculture process, agriculture equipments, and so NABARD. SIDBI is for the small SMEs. They provide you. So these are the two banks which are very specialized. So NABARD is all for agriculture. SIDBI is for all small business. 76 is Harsh Kumar Banwal. Then name the Yes Bank. Yes Bank is in news because this bank has completely collapsed. So you'll realize that his director has just pumped those money by getting kickbacks. So imagine you own that bank and you take kickbacks to give you loan. So this is it's a very shame if you ask me. It is something like this. How to explain it? This is very strange. Rana Kapoor was basically who is the who has started this bank, and he himself has ruined this bank. 77 comes to Neeraj Dhawan has been there. So now this bank has been taken by the government now. Piligit Tiger Reserve comes out to be UP. Then MD and CEO of Yes Bank now has been made as Prashant Kumar, sorry, not Prashant Kishore. Then comes to be Union Human Resource. This Ramesh Pokhriyal has made amendment in the Prime Minister Research. This Sanjay Dhotri. Then comes CSIR drug this COVID-19. So 81 comes to be both. So right now we are having one of the medicine being production of the COVID-19 taking place in Pune. Fine, Serum company is doing so. So there comes to be a small risk also because this has not gone through the phase 2 completely and phase 3 trial. So before that they have started the production so that in case if the vaccine is successful, so we should not be short of in terms of supplying. So they are taking that much of risk. Same Bill Gates has done. Bill Gates has pumped I think some $5 billion in 5 medicine. So he thinks that out of these 5 at least one will click. So this businessman thinks in terms of the amount of damage which does. In case if let us suppose if the economy is not well, Microsoft will not be able to sell their software to many people. So this way their philanthropic division has taken this much of risk that okay, pump $5 billion and we can save business and the society.
So if one of them works out, he also stands to gain a lot of money.
Yeah, that's also there. That's also there. But there is also a small possibility that all 5 flops, right?
Yeah, that's a risk he's willing to take.
Yeah. No, but if you ask me, larger part is that you make the complete survival of the ecosystem. That's the bigger gain, because if the ecosystem is there, then only you can sell your software, right?
So also you can take it as like a PR stunt, public relations, wherein his name goes up and he's like, okay, I'm donating so much for.
He's already been doing that for quite a long time.
Yeah.
He has his own Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation.
Yeah, the foundation. So it could just add on to that.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying there are people who are taking risks. In fact, the Pune company, the serum manufacturing which is taking place, he's also taking a risk. Bill Gates is doing 5 medicine, but the Pune-based company is doing only 1 medicine, right? So I'm saying there are people who are taking risk. The reason behind this comes out of the few of the companies are looking from the business perspective. Other people are looking from a larger perspective. 5 years. So imagine if you are not able to sell your product for 6 months. In that case, your business go minus 3-5 years back. So that way you look at. So let us say Microsoft 16-17 was supposed to get launched, but you can't do that now. Okay, yeah. Then question number 83. Which oldest stock exchange is this? Amsterdam Stock Exchange, 1602.
So what's 82?
82, Director General of the Shekhar S. Mande. Then comes out to National Institute of Virology, has this Kavash. It's in Pune. Yeah, all our COVID related research, if you find out on the global level which is taking place, it's all from Pune. Okay, all from Pune, because we have this institute there. And the Wuhan also, from this institute only this has come out. This is what most of the report says. Hari Shankar Vasudevan was a historian. Then National Technology was this May 11. Indian scientists on 3 species. This comes out to be 3rd one. Dokenshia. Director General of the SAI is Sandeep Pradhan. Then HQ of International Federation of Hockey, it's Lausanne. This is in Switzerland. Present Tribal Minister of Affairs, Arjun Munda. Then comes to be your Safe Job and Seekify. Safe Job and Seekify is Department of Consumer Affairs. Then Aapke Dwar Yojana. Okay, Aapke Dwar Yojana, you can file an FIR, that is Madhya Pradesh. Pranav, it's to monitor the blood oxygen. This it's in Bangalore. When they have launched this project, SARS-CoV-2 human IG, this is a testing kit. Okay, this is in Kedila Healthcare. Then comes out a World Organization partnership with the international. This is nursing. This is WHO. This answer you must be knowing, right? This is Ladakh. Yeah. Then Roberto Azevedo is in Bangladesh. No, 97. Sorry, WTO. Sorry. Then comes out of this is Bangladesh. This. Then the central government has allocated 20,000 crore rupees development marine in this and inland this. This comes Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada is fishery. Yeah. Then One Dairy dispatch Fang. Fang also you can also know this Fang term you will find out in the business news article as well. You know, F stand for the Facebook, A stand for Amazon, N stand for Netflix, and G stands for Google. So all countries are planning to put some extra tax on these Fang companies. All right. So anyhow, please solve the remaining 50.
Sir, I have a class, sir, at 6 o'clock. So can I
Absolutely no problem. Absolutely no problem. You can join the next 6 o'clock class of yours. In case if you have doubt in the this part, you can go through the video as well.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. उसको अंदर की तरफ खोलो ब्रदर, पुल इनसाइड, डोर इनसाइड. Okay, what is answer 101? Yeah, is the PM of Israel. With Israel, we have good relations. Okay, a lot of defense-related classified information we get from Israel. Okay, but at definitely a very premium price. It's with this 102 May 18th. Then comes out to be International Museum Day. The theme for this comes out to be 103 museum for this. Third option. Theme of the World Hypertension Day 2020. 17th May. Then which zone of this railbot is South Central? Slightly factual based things. Sona 1.5 and Sona 0.5. Name the company India's first service robot has been developed. Is Club First. Then come to name the person who has the ICC committee this. It's Anil Kumble. Why this controversy has come up?
COVID-19.
Yes, COVID-19, yeah. Be engaged. Then measurement for the global trade. Theme for the world meteorology. This is on May 20. Then comes out HQ of National Anti-Doping Agency. It's New Delhi. You will be also very surprised to know that a lot of foreign athletes are able to they also take drugs, but somehow they are very advanced in terms of hiding those drugs. But Indian athletes are not very smart enough to hide those drugs. So that is one of the reasons that you will find out a lot of Indian weightlifters, especially, or some of the athletes are very often found to be using some of the drugs, which usually is being taken by good number of athletes in the international platform. Okay, but they know how to hide those things, so they will take any part of that. So if X is being cut down by Y, so they know why. But our physiotherapist or our doctor who prescribes these medicines don't know what is Y. So they only prescribe X. X is it comes in the test. So that way.
Sir, and recently one Tamil Nadu female athlete was banned, sir. I don't remember the name.
Correct.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
The 108th question, isn't it safe?
108, huh? Okay.
Yeah,
108.
isn't it save the bees?
Save the bee, yeah?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Can all of you can put a question mark on this, complete 108, and just I will ask you to recheck that. Okay? I might be wrong. Please recheck question number 8. Okay. If couple of you have checked, so I can go wrong. Yes. The Ministry of New 111 is Piyush Goyal. New renewable energy has launched 100% solarization. It's Konark Temple you have in Odisha. Right? That's a good move. Fine. We we don't appreciate some of the we miss out with appreciation. Okay, but if this government or our Indian government or basically all together we are moving our dependency towards the solar energy, which is a very nice thing. Okay, you will figure out that sometime back they have made all railway station sheds having the solar panel. So that means there are few of the railway station which is आपने उठा लिया ना सारा brother उठाया सारा आपने वो पीसेस उठा लिया हाँ वहाँ पे है ना साइड में ले लो उधर पे वॉशिंग मशीन के साइड में ले लो उससे okay, then comes out to be 113 Harshvardhan, that's correct. Which Indian state has rolled Rajiv Gandhi Kisan this Yojana? Is Chhattisgarh. Then comes out to be Union HRD Ministry released 3 handbook of the measure this. Central Board of Education this. Then comes out to be who is the DG of the IMD? Mohapatra, yeah. Then comes out to be Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. It's National Health Authority. It comes in the National Health Authority. Then comes out the Ministry of Commerce has lifted ban on the export of non-medical masks. It's MS. Then Mount Harriet is in Andaman Nicobar. Then Union Minister Prakash Javadekar has launched the biodiversity. So this. 4th one, it's United Nations Development Program. Okay. 121 is Nairobi. Illegal traffic of this is Nairobi. Then comes out Baltic countries travel bubble. You have all these 3 countries lies on that belt. Done. Thank you, brother. Thank you. 123 scientists of botanical. This garden you have in Calcutta, quite a famous, just like your you have this. We also have a botanical garden, right? So you have this in Calcutta. Then comes out a local to global, Ministry of Affairs. So we are moving towards localization, and we want foreign investment as well. So quite an oxymoron situation for Indian government. LIC, this is LIC. LIC is the biggest financial investment
insurance companies.
Insurance company, but any of the time the government wants to pump money in the stock exchange or in the economy, LIC is the cash chest. So you take money from here and pump in the Indian economy. Okay, then comes out to be which question? 126 comes out to which state? Webinar one Dhan Yojana. It's Rajasthan. Then India's largest fish. India is ranked second. First is. Which country is first? China.
China, yeah.
128 Aircraft Development Agency. This is a wing of DRDO. Then Rozgar Setu. Rozgar Setu has been launched by Madhya Pradesh. So state government is saying that we will provide employment to all those migrant laborers who have come back to their respective state. Do you believe this statement? Do you think that this is possible? If that was possible, why the migrant labor will go to Bombay? Someone from Bihar or UP or Calcutta will go to Bombay for a work. And now the government is planning to, provide them employment in their respective village. 131, May 29. Sorry, I missed out to tell you 130th. Ultraviolet Sanitation Bay, it's Western Naval Command. Okay, so sanitation bay is basically, you cross that tunnel and all those disinfect will be thrown on you. So that that takes place. Then Punitus Sanctus is bioscience research. Then no VAP day. Then comes out May 30. And which special day celebrated on May 2nd is also celebrated this. It's International Astronomy Day. Tuna is a type of fish. It's in Japan. It's one of the costliest fish. You have auction takes place and it is being sold in millions. Okay. Internet Sathi. Yeah, please. Thank you. Internet Sathi is Google. Tata Trust has collaborated with Surfacia is cooperative banks. This is the bank act which takes place for this. CSIR Institute of Genome, this Tata Sons. Okay, then comes out to be and who G20 virtual meeting. Yeah, all meetings are taking place virtual now. You can't go physically to that country to attend the meeting. So this is Piyush Goyal because he's. So then comes out to be 140. Accelerated India's COVID. This is World Bank. World Bank, which has approved $1 billion. It's World Bank, yeah. Then comes to 141. Gujarat implement sensor. Not much of things to be added in this economics. It's 142nd is UT, Union Territory. What is this? Talks about just a minute. Electricity distribution companies in which categories of the territories are proposed to privatize as part of the economic stimulus package. You'll also be surprised to know that all our power generating companies are bankrupt, right? So all Tata Power or Reliance Power or you have Bescom in Karnataka, all are bankrupt. So they are just. Someday we will just held up, we'll come to that cycle if restructuring does not take place. 143rd, coal bed methane. Then mandatory norms for accepting payment. This is B2B. I just explained you this what B2B and this means. So you will see these terms being used in the business article. Okay, business to consumer. Business to consumer is something. Let us suppose when you come to study CLAT over here. So it is basically business to customer. So that means you are the consumer, I'm the business provider. But if business to business, let us suppose business to business, how business to business can be? Let us suppose I go to a college, let us suppose I go to Ramaiah College and I say that, okay, I will train for the CLAT exam in your campus. So that is business to business. I have the business and Ramaiah also has the business. So that is business to business. Similarly, you can understand consumer to business or consumer to consumer. So you figure out that these terms being discussed in business articles, okay? Special drawing rights is basically IMF. Then where is the HQ of the International Solar? This is in Gurgaon. India is the one. India, France, Australia are the initiators. Okay, very. I think in few years you'll find out this becomes an important body.
So what's 146 again? You didn't say what it is.
146 is first one, dear. International Day of Action for the Women's Health. And then comes our CMD of Oriental Bank. Oriental Bank is recently SN Rajeshwari. She got promoted for that. Okay. Fine. So these are the, I think I could see some 5-6 important articles in this, fine, which you should have read in detail, because there can be GK question can be framed for the CLAT. So apart from the CLAT pattern, I will be continuing with the GK so that you get a snapshot of the complete month as well. Okay. So this is what is today's session all about. I just stop sharing right now so that I can see all of you. And I have anything else? Yeah, perfect. So this is what today's session is. And any queries you have for me? Perfect. All your schools should have their virtual classes going on. All your online classes are going on for your respective school.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Looking at this guideline, I can tell you that. Just a minute. I will just.